Hello traders, this is Vijay Kumar. Welcome to Wire Trading Ideas. Today I am going to take you through the latest sensation of strategy in option buying. For it's a boon for all the small retail traders. The strategy is 145 strategy brought to us by Baap of Chart. Mr. Nasir, a special thanks to you for giving us such a wonderful strategy which works seemingly well in all kind of markets. Let us jump into the strategy. In first step, we need to create a watch list at 9:25. Exactly at 9:25, at the close of the 9:25 5 minutes candle, we need to create this watch list. How to create the watch list? We need to open option chain. Look for the strike prices having premium between 150 and 170. Select those strike prices of CE and PE. Enter it into the watch list. After entering into the watch list, we need to wait for the breakout. The rule number 2 is we need to wait till either of the option breaks 190 rupees. So once it is done, we will wait for some time, at least to 8 to 10 seconds to sustain above 190 rupees. After that, we will be entering the trade, and the target what we expect out of this trade is 30 points. We would be giving a stop loss of 30 points. It's a 1:1 risk reward strategy. Similarly, for option selling, the rules are same, the same points of target and stop loss. But when we enter, once either of the option breaks below 139 and sustains over there, we will be entering the sell side. Hope the strategy is very clear. It's clean and simple. Step 1, we will be selecting the strike prices of premiums between 150 and 170 in CE and PE, call side and put side, and we will wait till either of the option breaks rupees 190. After it break out and sustain, we will be buying that option. So after entering the trade, the first job is to put stop loss and target. You can use GTT order. With GTT order, you can place stop loss order as well as the target order simultaneously. Actual margin requirement is to execute one lot in this strategy. It requires only 10,000 rupees, and for selling it is required only 1.2 lakh rupee per lot. But word of caution here is, if you have 50,000 capital with you, then you trade only with one lot till you gain confidence in this strategy and you are comfortable in executing the trades. Then you can increase your lots. This is the suggestion given by the mentor. And for option selling, you require 2 lakh rupee capital to execute one lot of the trade. Hope it is very clear now. You can pass the slides here, read again the rules and set of process for your better understanding. And the conclusion is, follow the rules strictly. That is the biggest enemy why retail traders lose money, because we don't follow rules properly or consistently. So here our request would be, follow the rules strictly and no hopping of strategies. Today you hear this strategy, from tomorrow you will start trading into this strategy, or you will hop into the another strategy or look for another strategy. Please don't do this, because this strategy is proven already. From last 3 months people are making money. From in our channel itself, we have been consistently making money out of this strategy, and there are live trading videos available in my Tamil watch list. This strategy I want to take it through all the fellow traders. That's why I am making this strategy video in English, because I find lot of Hindi videos available with 145 strategy, but in regional languages and in English it is very limited. I don't see literally. So that's why I just want to give this strategy to everyone in the trading community. Hope this would be very helpful for you, and use this strategy for at least next 3 months. This is the advice even given by our mentor. And after entering the trade, don't jump out of the trade immediately. Wait for the targets or wait for the stop loss to happen. So that's all. If you follow these lines, no one can stop you from becoming a successful trader. Even you can't fail yourself. With this note, I'm ending this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep supporting me. Thank you. Bye and take care.